बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। मैं हूं आपका मेज़बान जाबिर खान तुरखेला और आप देख रहे हैं दरसमन मीडिया। आज हम आए हुए हैं जामिया बैतुस्सलाम में। यहाँ के छोटे और मासूम तलबा आप देख रहे हैं कि इंशाल्लाह ये इंग्लिश में बात करेंगे। अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू।
Walaikum assalam.
हाउ आर यू?
I'm fine, alhamdulillah.
व्हाट्स योर स्वीट नेम?
My name is Wissam Idris.
आर यू फ्रॉम वेयर?
I'm from basically Sham, but I live in Lahore.
गुड। सो व्हेन यू केम हियर?
I came here, this is my first year. Means now Shaban I'm doing courses. I'm doing Lego course. And
ओके, आर यू लर्निंग इंग्लिश जस्ट और एनी अदर सब्जेक्ट आल्सो?
no, actually we learn English. We learn English for the first year, just English. Then in the second year we start in science and maths and other means start and moving on biology and all these step by step.
Okay, are you remember the Holy Quran?
Yes, alhamdulillah, I'm Hafiz al-Quran.
Good. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you?
Alhamdulillah.
What's your seat name?
My name is Sayyid Muhammad Samir.
Would you like to introduce yourself?
I am a student of level 2. I live in Lahore, and right now I am doing courses along with my friends, and alhamdulillah I am also Hafiz, and this year inshallah we'll go to promote in level 3 and we'll go to study O level subjects.
How many times you spent on the learning English?
I spent 1 year we spent in learning English the first year, and then alhamdulillah in the next year we start learning speaking and writing also, and then next year we study O level subjects.
Good. Any other student want to come? Just come here. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you?
I'm fine, alhamdulillah.
What's your seat name?
Muhammad Abdul Hadi.
Are you from where?
I'm from Chikwal.
You just learning English or any other subject?
I studied in 8th class. Alhamdulillah, I passed. Now I went in 9th class. And first year I learned English.
Did you remember the Holy Quran?
Yes.
Good. So what's your future plan?
My future plan is I want to become engineer.
Good. Just one student. Yeah, one more. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
How are you?
Fine, alhamdulillah.
Would you like to introduce yourself?
Yes, my name is Mutahir and I am from Gujranwala. And
In which class do you read?
now, last year was level 1. Inshallah, next year, inshallah, I will be level 2. Inshallah.
So this books you study in English.
Yes.
Good. So what's your future plan?
Inshallah, I will be the good scholar and inshallah, I will preach in Islam.
So what's your message for other students?
They should work hard and they should work hard for the others, that for Muslims that they don't even have their knowledge anything, so that they should also become a good scholar for others as well.
Good. Shabash.